Hey everybody, Tom Hankins. I've got a great video coming up for you, so stick around. But first off, I want to talk about what we used. I took my neighbor Tyler down the street here, Tyler Staley, good friend, great guy. He wanted to catch some fish for a fish fry later this summer, so we did exactly that. The day was windy and cold, but we prevailed regardless. So let me talk about what we used. We used a crappie magnet roo. What a great bait. Even though it's got Russ Bailey's face on it, it's still a good bait. When we talk about it, it's like the original crappie magnet, which is right here. Okay, very similar tails, identical tails. The split tail is a great feature, but this has got a shad body. Okay, a little different profile. It's got a pocket in it. That's why they call it a roo. Just like a kangaroo, it's got a pocket. In there, you can place the scent, the slab bites, or there's a new product coming out. It's called Slab Salve. Okay, great bait. We caught multiple fish on that right there in a gold color, which I don't have any left. We also used the hammer. The hammer it's a great bait. It's the exact same profile as the original crappie magnet. It's hard to see with my hands in a way. But as you can see, it's much bigger. This bait is fantastic, especially this time of year. It's March. Today's March the 7th. Boy, the fish that we caught and clean, they have giant shad in them, so this is a bait to go to this time of year. Okay, but make sure when you get it, I would start out with a kit or buy you some eye hole jigs. The hammer, it's got the bigger hook to it because you need a big hook to go in that big bait. Okay, so do yourself a favor, get you some of these. The eye hole is there to put the slab bites in. Okay, more scent's great to have. Okay, so I hope you all enjoy the video. We had a great time, some good laughs, caught a lot of fish. Enjoy. So just keep scanning till we see a fish down there. What was that? Go back. Right there, see it?
Yep, that's about 20.
That's a little fish, but
yeah,
see if you can get on him. He may not be that
there.
bad.
12. Nope.
He's right there.
Yep.
Oh, there's a better one. Where? See that fish right there on mine?
Oh man, that is
that's out there, dude.
That is out
it's
there.
right out here. He's coming at us hard. Ooh, got him. Good fish.
Yeah, that is a good one.
Oh, get up here. See how big that looked?
Yeah, look, I'm right there by that one right there.
See how big that looked on the screen?
That thing's a hoss.
Yeah, it's what, maybe 11.5-inch fish. It's not real big, but she's stuffed. I think he's seen it. Yep. Come on. Got him.
Got him.
Another keeper.
Another keeper.
Heck yeah.
It's a hog, Tom. Those are good keepers, man.
Just good keepers,
Yeah,
yep.
just good keepers.
Ooh, good fish. Giant. No, I got him. I got him.
That is a good fish.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's a hoss.
Heck yeah. I got him.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, he's hooked good too. Oh, there I got him.
Yeah, you did.
I did. Oh, there you go. Bad eye.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yep.
I was on the bad eye side.
Got it. There I got him.
Got him?
Oh, yeah. Aren't them beauties?
Man, those are beauty, dude.
Yes, sir.
That's a beauty, Tom.
If I may have to switch your poles here, see if I can catch one with that big bait. He's got to see. Oh, we got him.
Got him.
Good one.
Oh, yeah.
Swing him in here, buddy. Swing him right there. Yeah,
Oh,
Tyler
baby.
got him one.
Got him one.
Got him one.
Got him one on the big hammer, man.
Yeah, that's right. The hammer. Hell yeah.
My one,
Got it?
Hey,
Raise it up.
I'm good. I'm going to bring it back. I got my hands back. I'm ready to rock and roll.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Nice fish, buddy.
Heck yeah.
Nice
let me
fish.
take that.
Oh, you're all right. I'm going to throw him in here.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
That felt good. You can feel him hit it.
You felt him?
Oh, man, he smacked the shit out of it. I mean, he really did.
I figured they'd eat that hammer.
He smacked it. I mean, I felt it. He hit it once, and then he came back and just really whopped it that second time.
Got him.
Get him?
Oh, yeah.
There's another one, it looks like.
Oh, my line just broke.
It did?
Yeah. Yeah, it did. You know how to run a trolling motor?
Yeah, I got it.
Heck yeah. Oh, you know what? I meant to do this. Let's put some life jackets on.
What's that?
I meant to put life jackets on. This water's cold, man.
Yeah.
You hit that water. Trying to fish. There you go. Throw this on for me.
Oh, yeah.
Ever since this double seamount broke on me at Lake Erie, man, there's no chance. There's no warning. Just boom, you're in the water.
Yeah. That was
Oh,
brutal.
there we go. There's a good one out there on the other side. Oh, got him. Nice. Swing him in the boat, bud.
Boom, baby. I got this. I got it, Tom. You keep
Okay,
going.
yeah, because I got a giant.
Right on that
I got
damn,
a giant.
You're right on that damn.
Already seen it. Got
Got
him.
him.
Oh yeah, hog.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
I got him. I'll put him in there for you.
Well, I need to click her 3 times.
Okay. Collect her 3 times, okay?
Then. Yep.
Is it back there? Or you got it? Okay.
Yep. Oh, got him. Good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, yeah.
Get him in, Tyler.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah. Show that one to the camera. That one's a hog.
Came off right when I got him in.
Well, that's when you want them to come off. No sooner. Show that one to the camera, bud.
Look at that, baby.
Nice job.
Nice slabber right there.
Yeah, you're getting the hang of it. There's one. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Another
I'm
keeper.
back here.
Another keeper.
Heck yeah. So we'll have to hit 2.
Yep. Oh, he sees my sinker. There, I got him. Oh, good fish. That's a. Oh,
Oh, you got
he
Look at
he hit my sinker.
Did he?
Yeah, he did. He hit my sinker. But
Well,
guess
makes
what?
it feel like a good fish.
It did. It did, man. There he comes.
Get him.
A little guy. 10-inch fish. He's an eater.
Good one right there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Get him.
Right.
Here he comes. Got him.
Got him.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah. That's a good one.
That's a good one right there.
Yeah.
Did you already get that other one?
Yeah. Already counted it. Yep. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, don't fall.
I got it. I'm good. I'm doing all right.
Man, they did not see that bait. Come on, dude. Come on. There, he's seen it. Got him. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Good fish. Nice fish.
Come on, baby.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
A double.
Look at that sucker.
There you go. We got a double that time. Double keeper.
Double keeper. Double keeper. I hooked my thing back up.
Yeah. Oh, I just threw mine on your side. That's all right. We don't care.
No, we don't.
That's 16. On our way to 50.
That's 16.
Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Good one.
Oh, that's a good one, man.
Yeah, it is.
Boom. Come on, baby.
Hey, if you take that line, watch me. Just grab the and pull.
Pull. Okay.
Pull, and you can swing them right back to you. It makes it a lot easier for you. I don't think he's that big because I keep losing complete sight of it. There he comes. Oh, I got it. Oh, yeah. He's a keeper.
Oh, yeah, he is.
I don't think I counted the...
Oh, that's a good one, Tom.
No, I'm trying. There he comes. Got it. Good one.
That's a freaking hog.
Nice 12-inch fish. Let me set the spot lock and we'll tie that baby on. Here, take this and hand me that pole. There he's looking. Got him.
Got him.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
a hog, man.
Yeah.
That's a good one right there.
Oh, yeah.
Thick son of a buck.
Yeah. Inhaled the hammer. Oh, that's a hog right here. If I could just get on him. Stupid wind, let up. Let me catch this fish. Here he comes. Oh, I got him.
Oh,
yeah.
My God.
There we go.
That's a good one right there, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. Dang. That's a tank.
Yeah.
That's a tank.
14-incher probably. Oh, here he comes. Got him. Well, that's a toad. That is a toad.
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
That's a good one, right?
Yeah, that's a good one. Got it. Yeah, little guy. That's an eater, though.
Yeah, it is.
10 inches all day long. There's good fish. Oh, tank. That's a good one. Oh, yeah.
See it come up with it?
No. I don't know why this sucker keeps stopping on me.
That's a tank, man.
Get in here.
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah. Nice fish.
Heck yeah.
Got it.
Got him.
Oh, yeah. Another keeper. Oh, yeah.
Oh, right there.
Oh, yeah. Where's that one at? Oh, one of us. Nope. Nope. Yeah, I think he's following you. Yeah, it is you. He's chasing you. Good fish. There you go. Get him in the boat.
Oh, baby.
Watch it. Almost over the boat. Yeah, man. Can I count him? All right. We're 2 into our second limit. Oh, he's seen me. Got him. Oh, yeah. Good fish.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, he bounced into your half. That's all right. That's all right. That's number 27. Okay. Now, oh, one right here. Where'd he go?
Oh, mistake there.
Yeah, it is.
Is
God.
that the one you just got?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another one. Another keeper. Oh, thought he was gonna eat it. Oh, he did.
Did he eat it?
Yeah. Hey, ain't that big. He's a keeper. 10-inch fish. Yeah, we can do better.
You can do better.
Oh, I was gonna say I seen that big come up. Watch that line. It's a lot lighter line. Here, swing them around here. Just pull them around. There you go. Open your bail.
Better.
Nice fish.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
He took it like a tramp.
I seen him come
Did you see him
right.
come up?
I did. I'm like,
yours?
what the heck is that fish racing to? I didn't see your bait.
I didn't see my. I couldn't see. I haven't seen my bait all the
Yeah.
time. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good keeper right
Heck
there.
Yeah, were we staying pretty?
Yeah. Yeah, we're holding still. I got the power poles down. There you go. Good fish. There you go. Nice. Nice. Bring them around here. Slide them around here.
Here we go.
Got
baby.
him. Got him.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Playing with it a little bit, man. They're in there.
Oh yeah, they're in there.
That's all about the same size fish too.
Oh yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
right
They're
there.
nice 12-inch fish. You know what? I didn't count you last one. I better count 2. Got him.
Yep, that's a good one.
Got him. Yeah.
It's a solid hog.
Oh yeah. Boy, they get hooked in that upper,
Yeah,
that bone. That's hard. That's hard to get them out.
It'll wear your ass out, man.
Got him.
Hell yeah. Here you go. I want to touch.
Wow.
I want to touch the crappie.
He inhaled that.
Put it back.
All right. Number 32. Yep. Got him.
Got him.
Yep.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, good fish.
Holy cow! Look at that! That is a monster.
Yeah, it is. I got him. Yeah.
Good one. That's a good eater.
Oh yeah, good eater. We'll take it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here he comes. Yeah.
Yep, that's a good one.
Oh yeah. Another keeper.
Keeper.
Here comes the first one. Got him.
Got him.
Oh yeah.
Where they at?
Right in front. There you go. Yep, right there.
26 feet out.
Yep. Oh, got him. Good fish. There's another one down there deeper. Get on him. You're past him. Yeah. There he comes. There he comes. Got him.
Did you get him?
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah. Nice. You got to get the fish scent on you or what? I'll let you take him back there. There he comes. We got him.
Did you get him?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah. Got the lake to ourselves
I
today.
know.
It's great. There he comes. I knew that was a good fish. Oh, it's a stud.
Oh, that is a stud.
Oh yeah.
That is a stud.
He was right on top of that stump. Oh yeah. Yeah, I thought he was part of the stump, but it's like, nah, that's a fish. Oh, he's seen me. Got him.
You got that one?
Got one.
Where's the other one at?
To the right a little bit, or out front a little further. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Where was he at?
There. Well,
Do I need to go forward?
yeah, I think it's forward.
There, you seen it. Got him.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Click her up. Whooping on me.
Oh yeah, they're full of shad, man. Oh, you got one? You set that hook like it was a giant.
Good flathead size right here.
Yeah.
Yo, Glenny.
Come on, eat it. Eat. Oh, oh, here he comes. Got him.
Got him.
Finally got him.
Good chill. Oh yeah. Oh, look how big that
Oh,
thing is.
shit. God dang it. What do I got?
Oh, that's a crappie.
I got him. Yeah, I got him. I got him. I got him. Catch that other fish. That other fish is still there. I was trying to drop on that other fish, and this one took it. Oh, here he comes. There he comes. Oh, yeah.
Get him.
Yep. Here he comes. Got him.
Got him.
Nah. He'll eat. He'll eat.
He'll eat.
Yeah, that's good for a fish fry right there.
Yes, it is.
Perfect sized fry up.
Coming up.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, look.
Yeah, see him? Oh, you got to pitch to him. You got to get it out there to him because the boat's going to get to him. Oh, already got him.
You already got him from me. Cheated.
I did. Thought he was bigger than that. That's eater, though.
It is.
Yeah, 10-incher. Got him. Good one.
Oh, man, that's a hog.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
That is a hog.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, he is.
Got him. Oh, stud.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Boy, look at that gut on that thing. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like a dang golf ball in its belly. There he comes. Got him.
That finishes it off.
Number 50.
That's 50. Let me put him in there.
We'll get him off first.
Let me fill him.
There he is. Get him all over you. There you go. Nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Nice.
Look at these. Look at this one. There's still shad. Get shad moving around in the stomach. Look at this thing.
Oh, yeah. All right. My good friend Tyler, my neighbor, we come out here and we put a whooping on him today. We got 50 nice keepers. He wants to have a fish fry and invite me over is what I heard.
Yep.
Okay. That's all.
He caught 39 of the 50.
49, but who's counting? Hey, thanks for watching.